family, alhamdulillah. And you know, the brothers have something great. They talk, but once the imam is started, so they keep quiet and listen attentively. Sisters might take like 3-4 minutes so they can pay attention to the imam. So do you think that the 3 minutes is over, or we still have 1 minute left? Maybe 1 minute left. Okay, give the sisters 1 minute. Sisters, you have 1 minute to talk. Please, don't waste the seconds. Okay. MashaAllah. You see, why you guys didn't invest 1 minute? The minute didn't finish. Keep talking. Okay. I just wanted to thank today Sister Anwara for sponsoring the iftar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless her. May Allah accept her good deeds. And may Allah give her barakah and good health. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. And Sister Anwara with her family, with everyone. May Allah bless them. Sister Anwara is the mother of Brother Faisal. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant her Jannah al-Firdaus and grant her His mercy. Allahumma ameen. And also, we want to make a dua to the father of Brother Faisal. Actually, I didn't meet him, and but I have heard a lot about this great man, and he has a good reputation in the community. May Allah shower him with His mercy, and may Allah forgive him. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Thank you so much for your contribution, for the brothers and sisters who helped in organizing the hall. Barakallahu feekum. May Allah give you health and barakah. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. May Allah accept our good deeds in Ramadan. Say Ameen. MashaAllah. He kept quiet to the point that I thought that the sisters had slept. Sisters in the back, are you awake? Sisters. So no man should respond. Right? Okay, one more time. Sisters in the back, are you awake? Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. May Allah let you all enter Jannah al-Firdaus. Say Ameen. I see brothers say Ameen. What happened to you guys? Let's start with the brothers. Okay. What's the best dua for the brothers? Related to me after or do you? Let's see. Okay. If we said, brothers, may Allah give everyone $1 million. Say Ameen. Okay. Let's try another dua. Brothers, may Allah let you enter Jannah al-Firdaus with the Prophet Muhammad. Say Ameen. Oh, mashallah, that's right.
They don't like money? I like money.
They don't like money. Okay. Let's see the other dua. A third dua. May Allah let you enter Jannah and give all the millions to the Imam. Say Ameen. That's even better. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So now, okay. I will follow the advice of Brother Ismail. So if the sisters will give mad at Brother Ismail, not me. Okay. Do the brothers might need dua for his second wife? Do you need another dua? If you need another dua, just raise your hand. Oh, see, my wife has raised her hand. MashaAllah. Okay. For the brothers, you want another dua? No one dare to do this, you see? All of you. Let's see what's going on in the world. Be honest. Okay. Subhanallah. So I will say the dua secretly, then you say Ameen. Okay? Oh brothers, may Allah say Ameen. Okay. Now let's move to our topic very quickly. One of the things to build bridges, reconnecting with our kids. Actually, Luqman the wise advice. Sayyidina Luqman gave the third advice to his child to bring to his attention that it's not about people. It's not about how people will think about you. Because you know what? No matter what you have made, still people will criticize you. No matter how you are good, no matter how you are beautiful, no matter how much you are giving, still people will look at your faults. And that's a fact. That's why never think about what people might say. And you know what? If you have a very wide garment and it has a little black dot, people will forget about all the whiteness and they will only think about the black dot that you have. It's a fact. And that's why the Islamic teachings actually, when you talk with your child, do not bring to him the people's attention. Only bring to his mind that you need to do what pleases Allah alone. No matter what people will say, if he's saying the truth, let him stick with the truth. Whether people love that truth or not. And he has to only watch Allah, to be watchful of Allah, mindful of Allah, not to be watchful of the cameras, not to be watchful of people. Sayyida, one of the great righteous women in the Islamic history, Rabi'a Adawiyya, used to say, فَلَيْتَكَ تَحْلُ وَالْحَيَاةُ مَرِيرَةٌ وَلَيْتَكَ تَرْضَى وَالْأَنَامُ غِضَابٌ وَلَيْتَ الَّذِي بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكَ عَامِرٌ وَبَيْنِي وَبَيْنَ الْعَالَمِينَ خَرَابٌ إِذَا صَحَّ مِنْكَ الْوُدْ فَالْكُلُّ هَيِّنٌ وَكُلُّ الَّذِي فَوْقَ التُّرَابِ تُرَابٌ. She used to say, I don't care about what people are going to say. I only care about Allah. What pleases Allah. If you want your child to be good at you, I want you to raise him up on that concept. Be watchful of Allah. You know what's most of people in the Western culture might say? They might say to you, and this is mostly what your child is hearing in the public school. Do whatever you do. Get whatever you get. But be careful. Do not get caught. Have you heard about this? Do whatever you do, but never get caught on the camera. Never get caught recorded. Never get caught that somebody will hear you so he can make a testimony against you. Do whatever you do, but do not get caught. We as Muslims, we do not have that concept. As we believe that al-malaikatu laha aqlam. Angels have pens to write down our good deeds. So even if I do not have camera, even if I do not have a police to watch me, I will be watchful of Allah. Even if I am alone, even if somebody does not see me. If you raise your child on that way, do not worry. Do not worry. He will have something, it is called makhafatullah. Makhafatullah, he will be fearful of the punishment of Allah. And I like that statement. Man khafa Allah, khawafa Allah minhu kulla shay. وَمَنْ لَمْ يَخَفِ اللَّهِ خَوَّفَهُ اللَّهُ مِنْ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ. Whoever has that fear of the punishment of Allah, Allah made everyone else to give him respect. And whoever does not have the fear of the punishment of Allah, Allah will make him to be scared of everything. I think you have many people, they are scared of everything. They are so picky. They are scared of even little things. You feel they are being panicked easily. But the real Muslim is the one who places his trust in Allah. I want you to talk with your children about that concept. No matter what, be watchful of Allah, be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Not people, not anyone else, not your boss, not anyone. And do not do anything to please any human being. Because at the end, he's a human being like me, like you. He gets sick, he gets worried, he has anxiety. So why you take care or you think of human being and you disregard Allah? And I like that statement. اطلبوا الحوائج بعزة الأنفس فإن الأمور تجري بمقادير الله. One more time. Whoever understood the statement, raise your hand. MashaAllah. اطلبوا الحوائج بعزة الأنفس فإن الأمور تجري بمقادير الله. If you want to ask for something from a human being, the default is to ask Allah. But if you have to ask a human being, ask with honor, with dignity, with respect, with izzah, because everything is based on the destiny of Allah. No one can add you something that Allah never written. And no one could harm you except it's written in the destiny of Allah. Put that as a aqidah in the heart of your child. By that way, you will have a child who is pious. May Allah grant us Jannah al-Firdaus. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Allahumma taqabbal minna siyamana. Allahumma taqabbal minna salatana. اللهم يا ربنا نسألك في هذه الساعة أن تتقبل منا صالح أعمالنا. اللهم انصر إخواننا في فلسطين. اللهم يا ربنا نسألك أن تربط على قلوبهم إنك على كل شيء قدير. النار في الأذان إن شاء الله. الله أكبر الله Hallelujah.